You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce correctly the name of this Ferrari car, supercar, hypercar, supercar. Anyhow, Ferrari is how the Italians say it. Ferrari 488 or 488 in English. Pista is how it's said in Italian. Pista. Ferrari 488 Pista, or Ferrari 488 or 488 Pista. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.